Hey guys, Tech Confetti here with another unboxing video with this time a deluxe edition Bakugan Nintendo Switch game. So this came around November of last year, 2020, and these were sold out real fast and I didn't get my hands on it at that time, but around yesterday I actually found one at a local store and I immediately grabbed it, and here we are. The Deluxe Edition Bakugan Champions of Vestroia. Nintendo Switch exclusive. Look at that. Beautiful artwork at the front. Look at that. So what's good about this is that it actually includes a real Bakugan inside, and it includes Ultima Dragonoid. So if you're a fan of him, shout out. So at the side, got Bakugan Champions of Vestroia, Warner Brothers, Nintendo Switch logo. At the bottom, we got Bakugan Champions of Vestroia logo here, address. Same with the other side, Bakugan, Nintendo Switch, Warner Brother, and at the back, look at that. Become a Bakugan champion. Harness the power of Bakugan in this action role-playing game. Build your team of Bakugan, each with unique attributes. Collect and train up to 80 essential Bakugan. Customize your brawler and loadout to develop your unique brawling style. Compete against others in online head-to-head multiplayer. So yeah, oh, look at it. It includes one Bakugan, 2 Baku cores, and 1 gate card. So essentially it includes one complete Bakugan toy. It's pretty neat. And let's open it. Okay, wow, so let's begin with the game first. Alright, so it has the same cover as it does at the box. Okay, same back cover as it does with the box, except with the no inclusions. Yeah, because this is the regular version of the game. Alright, so we got the game card, we got the European region or edition here, so no problem. Nice. Set that there. Or just stand it. Yeah. That looks nicer. So the inclusions. So that's just what's inside the box. Nothing else. Just a little cardboard separator. Nice. And here we have the exclusive promotion Bakugan that comes with the Deluxe Edition. Nice. Alright, let's open it. Oh, it's pretty tight. Bagly. Oh yeah, it comes off. Just like that. Wow. Alright. Okay. So we'll just lie down here. Got the 2 Baku cores. Nothing special, but it's a need. We got the gate card. Wow, okay. Okay. It has a hollow Ultima Dragonoid card. Wow. So it's hollow. You can see that. Nice. That looks dope. Wow, okay. So Got the gay card. Oh, that is a nice art of Dragonoid. Wow. Okay, so if you're a Bakugan fan, this is ultimately a must-have. Wow. That is amazing. You can feel the quality. It has some weight to it. Wow. And then the piece de resistance. The Bakugan. Ultima Dragonoid. Wow. Not the paintwork on this. So detailed. The colorway is amazing. Look at that. It does Dragonoids some justice. Wow. Okay, so let's see it open up. So where is it? All right, here. So all right, in all his amazingness, Ultima Dragonoid. Okay, so if you are a Bakugan fan, or just a person who loves Deluxe Edition, Collector's Edition Nintendo Switch games, this one is for you. This goes around for like $80 to $90, $100 at eBay. I don't know, but if you're really a fan, this is a must buy. Amazing. When I was a kid, I was a Bakugan fan, but I don't know what happened, but seeing this gives me a nostalgic feel. So yeah, if you can ever get your hands on this, don't think about it, just buy it. Wow. All right. So how do you put this back in? Yeah, I honestly forgot. Put the tail here. All right. So it's back in place. So that's it. Again, if you are a fan of Bakugan, I recommend buying this game for the Switch. Getting the Deluxe Edition would be so better. But if you can get your hands on the game itself, no problem. It's a great game. So that's it. That's my unboxing of the Champions of Vestroia Deluxe Edition game of Bakugan. See you guys.